Assalamu alaikum. So in today's part, we'll cover how to parent our callout layer to the mask path. So when the animation plays, it follows along the path. So चलिए देखते हैं. First, expand our callout Rocket 3 layer and select both mask 1 and its mask path. Then go to the window menu. So make our callout follow the path. We need to make some null objects. यहाँ पे हम scroll down करेंगे और ढूंढेंगे create null from path.jsx. Click on null follow points and After Effects will automatically create nulls that follow your mask path. Next step, select your callout layer and parent it to the Rocket 3 mask 1 layer. Now press the spacebar and you will see the callout perfectly following the mask path. After that, select your callout layer again, label it with an orange color and adjust its position to place it exactly where you want it. Finally, to keep your composition clean and organized, select the other 3 layers that were created and just delete them. Now we need to make a countdown animation. So for that, let's select type tool and write our text. Let's duplicate this text layer by pressing Ctrl+D, and then what we'll do is we'll remove the next text from the duplicate. We need to orient this text layer vertically, not horizontally. Again, just one more time. Let's select this layer and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D. Now we need to animate it, search for the transform effect, and from here we'll adjust its position. We'll place a keyframe on position, move the player forward a little bit and then move the vertical position up. Select both layers and apply easy ease. Select the second layer, search for the same effect and apply it to this layer as well. We'll place a keyframe on position and then move the vertical position up slightly. Next, we'll select both keyframes and press easy ease. Actually, there's a mistake. We need it to come from the bottom to the top, but it's currently going from top to bottom. So we'll just change the position of our keyframes to fix this. Essentially, we need to show its price getting lower. Now we need to apply a mask. So for this, we'll select both layers and pre-compose them. Select the rectangle shape tool and create a shape mask right next to the text layer. So you can see that is now looks like a counter animation. So if you see now, it looks something like this. Now let's just add a drop shadow to this text. For this, we'll select the layer, search for the drop shadow effect and apply it to our layer. We'll set the direction to 102 degree and distance to 6.0, and we'll click on the color box to change its color. That's all for today. In the next video, we will animate our second image and then the project will be final. If you have not watched the previous parts, you can click here to watch them so you can easily follow along. Inshallah, we will meet in the next part.